Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube episode number 67 Sanskriti Kolkata. Myself Lalia Dattagupta. So today I will show you chicken curry sarees in various ranges and fabrics also. So let's start and keep watching and please like, share and subscribe the channel. Let me start with my saree. Mine is a Georgette chicken curry in black and white combination. I make this only in black and white. This has badlas all over, Mukesh work with machine embroidery in black Georgette. See the work, it's all over thread work and it has a very big blouse piece also. I'll show you the blouse piece. See the pallu. And the best thing is satin fall is already attached for the finish. So when you wear the sari, it will look very nice. Even if just keep it like this, naturally if you just wear it, it always gets up turned like this. So obviously it will look very nice. So this is the whole look of the sari, soft, flowy, lightweight and very reasonably priced. The price is only 7,990 rupees with this blouse piece. You will get this blouse piece with the sari. This is a full length blouse piece meter. But at the same time, the sari itself it's very big. So you can cut off some more fabric of black from the sari and make it, big sleeves, or you can make the body out of that black and make full sleeve transparent sleeves with this. It will have a very unique and very smart, decent look. So product, this is no number, this is just black and white. You can say the one that I'm wearing. So it's 7,990 rupees. So coming to product number 1, this is again in Georgette. In peach color. It's a beautiful shade of peach with self color embroidery. This has the same peach on peach work with zari and sequins, self antique sequins, so that it gives a rich look. So this is the pallu, 6,990 rupees only, 6,990. Again the sari itself will have a border attached. So it's just a ready sari, you don't have to do the fall. This is the all over embroidery in the sari, lightweight, soft and a very nice color for day wear and for evening wear. If you like the products, kindly take the screenshot of the product along with the description that is mentioned against each product and just ship it to the, you have to message it to the number provided 760304266, or there's another number 98311, that number you can just message it in that number also. See, it's falling off. So anyway, so this is the whole look. The whole sari will be of thread work with blouse piece and fall attached. There's tassels and this is the blouse piece along with the sari. It will be plain blouse. This will be the blouse piece. Since the sari is all over work, this blouse piece I've kept it plain. Product number 2, 6,990 rupees in goldenish mustard yellow. This is also a very beautiful color, mustard yellow, goldenish yellow. It's more of a sunflower yellow, but it has a tinge of mustard tone in this. Only 6,990 rupees with tassels, with fall. Just see the finish. Gold zari and a light gold zari highlights throughout with sequins. All over embroidery with plain blouse piece. This is the plain blouse piece. This is the sari. So the description, as I said, is mentioned. To see more pictures, you can like our Facebook page. The link is already given, or the Insta page. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where you will see more options in chicken curry album, photo album. So you can have a look there. Else I'm showing you every sari in detail. See, this is an olive green, light moss green rather I would say, chicken curry with border pallu butta design. So this is the pallu with lovely embroidery. It does have light zari. This is the border. Again the fall is attached, the satin fall. The pallu, as I said, is with tassels. Price 6,990 rupees. Once you make the payment, we can ship the product worldwide, domestically and internationally. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, it will go by courier. All these blouses will be plain. This is the sari, border pallu concept. Sober, nice, soft and very uncommon earthy green color. Product number 4. Again the price is 6,990 rupees. In peach border pallu concept, the same style but in peach color. 6,990 rupees will fall attached. Bordered butta pallu heavy work with plain blouse piece. So with these plain blouse, you can make sleeveless looks also very nice. You can make something like what I am wearing, a puff sleeve blouse, and you can give the lining in the body, and the sleeves you can just leave it as puff sleeves like I have done. This is the pallu. Since the blouse pieces are plain, puff sleeves will look really nice. You can make nice puffs. We do have tailoring unit, so we can just give your measurements, charges applicable, and within Kolkata also the cash on delivery charges will be extra. This is another sari in border pallu concept, yellow color, fall attached, 6,990. So this is the minimum range in chicken georgette. See the border. This design is different from the previous ones that I showed you. All the saris I am showing you very intricately, very closely, so that you don't have to, extra pictures not possible to send. So please see the video properly and then you can order. And if you want the still photographs, it will be there in the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Always looks nice, summery and very, we love chicken, and this is my, I've previously also I've showed you many chicken episodes and got a very good response, so thought of doing another one, because I think 1 month I've given a gap in chicken episode. So this is in leher style. The whole sari will be with mirror work. It's a light fudge color, light chocolate color, nice color, very it goes with our skin complexion very well. See the mirror works, fall again attached, 7,990 rupees, 7,990 with badla, Mukesh work, and there is this is the Mukesh and mirror work, both is there, both available in the same sari, and this is the look. The all over sari will have this leher style. If you are liking the products, please leave a comment. Please take the screenshot for purchasing. You have to send the screenshot to the WhatsApp number. Only WhatsApp bookings are accepted. When you send the picture, kindly mention your name and the place where it has to be shipped. Once it is available, only then I will give you the bank details. After transfer, it will be couriered within 2 to 3 working days. So if it's a Saturday, Sunday and you pay on Friday, the shipping will be done on Monday. We are working, but the courier services remain closed on. They don't come for pickup, so hence the delay in between those days. But I'm sure you will receive it as soon as possible. 7,990 rupees, 7,990 is a nice lemon color mirror work chicken in georgette. See, in this range, these are lovely embroidery and very heavy quality georgette. These don't get crushed very easily like the there are synthetic georgettes also which gets crushed very easily, but these are very good quality georgettes. With mirror work, and of course the fall is also attached. See the work, how pretty this embroidery is looking. I don't know how it's coming because I'm showing against a dark color. I'm wearing a black. Maybe I've done a mistake in wearing black for a chicken episode. But since the other colors are in pastels, I don't know how it is coming. But that's why I'm draping all the saris to just to show how it comes. So this is the actual color. It's a peach color, pinkish peach color. 7,990 rupees, mirror work all over embroidery with again fall attached. See, these are the additional things that makes a difference, because of that same color fall, the sari look will be very different and the fall will also be very good. It will just stay in your shoulder. Otherwise, these kind of georgettes, they tend to fall off very easily. So this is the all over embroidery sari in georgette, pinkish peach color, neat work, and then again as I showed with mirror work and fall attached. 7,990 rupees. In case I miss out any number, you can just check the description part. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. The other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both the branches are very nearby. And you can check out our Facebook page, our WhatsApp status for regular updates of pictures, new collections. And here it is. Mirror work, again all over embroidery in yellow. All the colors are very soothing. See, all over embroidery. With plain blouse piece. Product number 10, again a light fudge color, but the designs are all different. খুব সুদিং কালারের ওপর হালকা সুতো দিয়ে, মানে পুরো হালকা মিরর ওয়ার্ক করে অল ওভার সুতোর কাজ যাচ্ছে, চিকনের কাজটা যাচ্ছে। কালারটা ভীষণ সুন্দর, মানে একদম লাইট চকলেট আইসক্রিমের কালারটা, হালকা কালার, ফাজ কালারটা দেখুন খুব সুন্দর মিষ্টি কালার। আমাদের স্কিন কমপ্লেকশন এই কালারটা ভীষণ ভালো যায় আমাদের ব্রিটিশ কমপ্লেকশনে। এর সাথে যদি আপনি কোনো কন্ট্রাস্ট ব্লাউজ পরতে পারেন, আপনি কিন্তু এটার সাথে একটা চকলেট কালার স্লিভলেস ব্লাউজও পরতে পারেন। কফি কালারটা খুব ভালো লাগবে এটার সাথে। প্লাস ব্লাউজ পিস তো শাড়ির আছেই, পাফ স্লিভ বা হল্টার বা স্লিভলেস বা স্ট্র্যাপ দিয়েও বানাতে পারেন। আর যদি আপনি এর মধ্যে একটু চেঞ্জ চান, একটু টুইস্ট চান, যেরকম আমি পরেছি একটু পাফ স্লিভ তো করতেই পারেন। এছাড়া কিন্তু আপনারা এটার মধ্যে আরেকটা খুব ভালো ডিজাইন যাবে, সেটা হচ্ছে আমি দেখাচ্ছি, এটা দেখে নিন একবার। এটার মধ্যে ব্লাউজ মিটার যেটা আছে সেটা ট্রান্সপারেন্ট ফুল চুড়ি স্লিভ করুন, আর বডিতে একটা এরকম একটা সিল্ক ম্যাটেরিয়াল যদি আপনারা বডিতে ইউজ করেন আর চুড়ি স্লিভস বানান ট্রান্সপারেন্ট হাতটা, সেটাও মনে হয় ভালো লাগবে আমার। আচ্ছা, I missed out my neck piece price. The neck piece along with this earring, it's oxidized silver, it's a bit blackish silver. It's 2350. See the jhumka and the filigree work, it's done of this toys, the couple wedded couple pictures, these motifs, little different from the usual one. It's a bit funky, but it goes with very good western and ethnic wear also. Okay, so now coming to the saris, product number 11. This is the first time I'm showing you dark color chicken. So this is in midnight blue, it's a navy blue color. Very uncommon shade, and these are one piece. I don't know how you would accept these colors, but I think these also look very nice for evening wears, For party wears, I think these chicken colors look really nice. So it's 8,200 rupees. It's a dark navy blue color. Again with fall attached. Dark navy blue color chicken with leher embroidery along with badla and no mirror. Yes, it has mirror work also, badla and mirror works. So it gives a very rich look. If you want a contrast blouse, you can go for a red. You can go for a Rama green also, a turquoise blue. You can go for mustard, and of course the navy blue blouse is already given. This is the sari. Nice color, I think. Now coming to a nice Dudhe Alta red. It's a reddish pink color. Very unusual shade. See, even with black, this is looking very nice. The whole sari will be embroidered with fall, of course, and plain blouse piece. The tag has fallen. The same price, 8,200 rupees. Product number 13. In a moss green color. Just see the work all over embroidery with badla. Throughout embroidery. ₹8,500 with fall. 8,500. Here is the whole sari embroidery design, and this is the pallu. And of course with same running blouse piece. All saris will have the self border attached but no embroidery. This is a nice biscuit color. Paisley embroidery. Heavy work. Throughout sari will have this paisley embroidery along with mukesh. This mukesh is hand work. It's done with gold or silver, whatever zari we use, and it's done. It's a very intricate needle work. Price is 8,990 rupees, 8,990. Here is the whole look of the sari. Beautiful work all over embroidery. All the colors in this paisley design are nice. I'll show you few more colors. This is the light sea green color. See, lovely work. This is sea green color with silver mukesh, pallu, the fall, running blouse piece, blouse piece. All soothing, cool colors for summer. Product number 16, 8,990 rupees. All same design except the color changes. So here is a fresh peach color. Back part, fall, here is the sari. For more options, you can visit the 2 branches that has been given, and there are more varieties in chiffon. You can have a look, but to get this particular product, prior booking is necessary, because we don't keep each product in bulk. To just keep the uniqueness of the product, we make few pieces, but keep watching, keep loving. Please, we need your support for the small scale industries. Please do visit stores. My staffs will be readily help you to select your product, to drape a sari, take the measurements. So please visit the branches. This is a yellow color, light lemon color. In the same concept, this is the border, the fall that has been attached. So this is the sari. Again with running blouse and all over work. Till the end, and here is the blouse piece. That was lime color. This is lemon color. The previous one, I'm sorry, I told you yellow lemon, but that was a lime green color, and this is the lemon color. See the work. I'm sure you can understand how good the finish is. Here is the sequence, self sequence attached by hand, and this is the fall, this is the back side, this is the sari with running blouse. So all these are same, so I'm not opening this one also. Now comes product number 19. It's an off-white with all over extremely uncommon, beautiful work. This also goes with black. See the pallu. 10,500 rupees with satin fall. 10,500 satin fall. And here is the whole sari work. There are many, Sanskriti Srimoti, we have an album where there are happy clients wearing these designs in different colors. We have pictures, you can have a look at them also, just to have an idea how it looks. See the sari. The border, how intricate the border is, the border embroidery. This is the pallu, and with this you get a designer embroidered blouse also. This is the blouse piece. $10,500, product number 19, product number 20 in scarlet, 10,500 again. Ideal for bridal wear, for brides also, for anniversaries. Rich red, and this red is a very pretty red, let me tell you. $10,500. So white and red, we have a peach in this design also, which has been shown in previous episode. If you want to see more designs in chicken curry, please check out the Facebook page Album Chicken Curry. But you have to check availability, of course, of the products. Now these are available, and we are not taking orders of any except for the one that I'm wearing, this red, the white. There are few, only the last three, the one that I am wearing, this red, and that off-white. Only these 3 orders I can take, otherwise no other sari order will be accepted. So you can just first come first serve basis. So if you want to book the product, please be quick, and once the payment is done, we'll ship it to you. This is the blouse piece. हमारी शाइटा गा থেকে খুলতে ইচ্ছা করছে না। Thank you so much for watching. keep if you subscribe, you can check out for more for the notifications for the next upcoming video. Namaskar.